Hello guys, hello wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of coming across my video, if it's your first time of watching my video, you are highly welcome. Thank you, welcome. Okay, for my returning subscribers, thank you guys, thank you so much for your support. So guys, today I have come again with a very beautiful back to school hairstyle. See guys, you see this hairstyle, I love it so much, and I'm in love with the hair extension, the color. Oh god, and my baby girl really loves her hair. So guys, if you really want to know how I achieve this beautiful hairstyle, please keep on watching. Okay, and please like the video, leave a comment, any hairstyle or any hairstyle suggestion or any correction. So at the end of the video, if you like the video, if it's the kind of video you like to watch, if you enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. Okay, so that you will join this wonderful family. We bring you a hairstyle, DIY, any hairstyle. Okay, just subscribe on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to you immediately. So guys, just relax and enjoy yourself. guys, I know you'll be wondering why am I not braiding the hair to the end. As you can see at the end, I will coil it. The baby girl says she wants coily hair, so as you can see, look at it. I have to obey her. Oh my god, look at this hair. Oh, come on, look at this beautiful hair, and my baby is feeling herself. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, I know you by this time, if you have watched up on this time, you have subscribed. Even if you have not, it's not too late. Just do that, okay? And on your notification bell, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.